Guys, if you want to learn how to use AI in your video editing or just in your business in general, maybe you want to train a video editor, maybe you have a team already, you just want to enhance their skills, you want to get them to level up, you need to start using AI in your business and you need to start using AI in your video editing approach. Otherwise, you guys are going to get left behind. Trust me, this is the future. It's the same with literally any other job in any other industry. There's AI that you can either use as a tool to enhance your level of skill and ability, your output, your efficiency, and the results that you get for your clients, or you can refuse to use any of this new futuristic tech and you can just get left behind. Because if you're not getting left behind now, you will for sure be left behind in the next 12 months because things change so quickly. Just little things like knowing how to prompt to get the right images on Midjourney, knowing how to prompt ChatGPT to get the right feedback or responses from ChatGPT. These are little things that you will only know from experience. So if you don't start using it now, in the next few years, you're going to have to start paying someone that does understand it, and you'll have to be paying them a lot of money. There are jobs out there that I saw on LinkedIn recently called prompt engineering. So you can apply to become a prompt engineer. These guys get paid $300,000 a year just to do prompts. Someone that understands AI and someone that understands how to generate images or get the right feedback from AI itself. Start using it now. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 5 AI tools that you should be using as a video editor or that you need to be using in your business if you already have video editors and you want to level up their skills. So the first one, of course, is ChatGPT. This helps you create really good scripts as well as really good storyboards. Now, when I say storyboards, I don't mean it's going to give you like a full-blown storyboard of every single individual scene with pictures and everything like that, but it can do it with the right prompts. So realistically, what you're going to be wanting to use ChatGPT for when creating video content is to first and foremost do your research and to write the script. You're only going to be able to write a script if you understand the right copywriting frameworks. So we use PAS and ADA in our scripts if it's a sales video. So ADA is attention, interest, desire, action, and PAS is problem, agitate, solution. So you can use either one of these. There's plenty of other frameworks you can use. These are the ones that we've found to be the best to get the best results. Also the easiest ones to follow or to create scripts around. You can actually even combine the two together. So ChatGPT is necessary to not only do your scripts, but also to make sure that the current scripts that you're writing are actually formatted properly and have the right grammar and aligned to a copywriting framework. Now, the next thing that you can use ChatGPT for is to storyboard. So once you've got your script, you can input that into ChatGPT and you can ask it to come up with a general outlay for each frame and for each area of that script or for each section of that script. So for the type of videos that we make, where we try and put in characters to the videos, for example, we could put Spider-Man into the video and Spider-Man's doing something. The way that we'd like to do these videos is we have a hero and they're in a current state and they get to like a desired state. So that's why we like to put characters in. It just resonates more with the viewer. It's just our style. I'm not saying you have to do it this way, but in this case, if we're going to use Spider-Man as an example, we want to storyboard it so that Spider-Man is actually the hero in it and that he's doing something in relation to the script. If you do this just off the top of your head, it could take days, if not weeks, to really formulate an idea because it requires a lot of thinking. So instead, what we do is we use ChatGPT to help us. We use it as a tool. So we feed it ideas. You can even get ChatGPT to give you ideas on different characters that suit the script. And then we get ChatGPT to create that storyboard for us, frame by frame, without the pictures. You can use ChatGPT to generate the pictures as well, but there's other software for that. In fact, that leads me to my next point, which is Midjourney. That's the second tool that we'll be using and that you should be using for sure. There's other ones out there. You can use Leonardo, you can use Playground. It depends on the style of videos that you're making. Midjourney typically allows you to do pretty much anything, any style. So once you've got your general outlay for a storyboard, you want to use Midjourney to not only generate those images and put them into your storyboard so that you can get that approval from a client or from your boss or, so that you can add that to your planning process. But you can use Midjourney, of course, to generate all of the images in the video itself. You no longer have to use stock footage. If you know how to animate those images, which I'll get into in a second with the next tools, then the world's really your oyster. You can do really anything. You can come up with any idea. You can be as creative as possible. And this is what we're doing. So those are the two first ones. We've got ChatGPT and then Midjourney. The third one is Runway. Runway will allow you to animate those images. Runway is a really popular software. They do a lot of AI competitions. If you've not seen those competitions before, I recommend you go to the Runway website. You can check out some of the submissions. We at Video CEOs, my team, we recently submitted a video to the Runway competition. They extended the deadline. We worked for like weeks to get this done. We only had, I think, like 6 weeks to do it because of the deadline, and then they ended up extending it. But either way, check out Runway. It helps you animate those images, and you can pretty much create like a Pixar level movie, which is the type of movie that we've actually submitted for this competition. More on that in another video. But Runway is the third tool that you're going to want to use. I'm not an expert in it myself because my team are the ones that create these fantastic looking videos. I just assist with the marketing and sales psychology of these videos so that we can actually get results for our clients. So if you want to know more information about Runway and some of these other tools, check out the link in the description below, join the creator community, ask questions, search in there for threads, and just network with other video editors who are also using AI to create profitable video content. Now, the fourth tool that we're using at Video CEOs and that you need to be using in your AI video editing tool set is PickALab. This allows you to create the imagery or the visualizations of those images so that you, again, can animate everything. You want to use PickALab in tandem with Runway, mostly because they do slightly different things together. And they've got different levels of ability. PickALab is strong in one area, Runway is strong in another area. We combine the two of these together so that we can create really high level, high quality Pixar videos, realistic animations. So recently we made a cybersecurity advertisement, which is about golf. So we wanted to make it as realistic as possible. So we can make it so it looks like it is actually real people playing golf. Okay, I don't know how to explain it any better than that. So it doesn't just have to be Pixar or cartoony or comic book. Again, we can create anything like this by combining both Runway and PickALab together. You need to have both these tools in your repertoire. Now, the final tool is one that you're going to need once you use the other ones, because you'll realize that once you've started creating a video, whether it's realistic or comic book or whatever style you want, sometimes the AI creates images that isn't perfect, or when you visualize or animate those images, the faces or the body parts or parts of the environment in your scenes kind of merge together. I don't really know how to explain it. Everything kind of melts into itself. So sometimes the face will melt and it just looks a bit tacky. It looks like it's not good quality. So what we use to make sure that that doesn't happen, or to at least try and hide most of that, is Topaz AI. So this is an image quality software that you can use in combination with those other tools so that you can create video content on the level of what we're doing at Video CEOs. And if you want to see some of those examples, check out the links in the description below this video. Maybe it will help you with some creativity. It will come up with some ideas for your business, for your client, for yourself, whatever it is. Learning how to use all of these tools is going to help you go from being a video editor that is easily replaced and can't really charge a lot of money to one that is levels above everyone else, who understands all the software, who can use AI to improve the quality of the videos, to make Disney level, Pixar level, realistic level, amazing creations, which again, you can check out the examples in the links in the description below this video. And it will turn you into someone that can actually charge a lot more money for the services that you offer and that you deliver. Because as a video editor, you have a level of creativity and technical ability that most other people don't have. Also, typically as a video editor, you can do things faster than your client or than some other video editors, especially if you put in the planning first. And because you can do it faster and you can make better quality videos compared to most other normal video editors, it means you can charge more money for your services. And ideally, you're going to be able to get results for your clients if you use those AI tools and you understand a little bit of marketing and sales psychology. All of this information is in the links in the description below this video. You can join the creator community to find out about those tools, to find out about the marketing and sales psychology, to learn how to get results for your clients, and to network with other video editors and entrepreneurs who want to use AI to create profitable sales videos that generate a return on their investment. So if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.